everyone. Today in this session we'll take up coding and decoding. In this coding and decoding we'll discuss two models, and these two models are appeared in SBI PO prelims exams. Mostly these models are expected in your upcoming exams also. Model 1. How it is separated as model 1 and model 2, it is also very important. Model 1 is with common words, and model 2 is without common words, and without common words. Now how can we identify whether the given set is with common words or without common words? It is very simple. Once you need to observe the given statements and the words which are given in the statements. Based, can you see anywhere? No. On, can you see anywhere? Yes. So if there is a one word is also common, then it comes under with common words, model 1. If there is no such word is common in the given statements, then it comes to without common words. When there is a without common words, then left side you will be given words and right side you will be given quotes. In model 1 and model 2, in both the cases you will be given left side words and right side quotes in general. Here, if it is model 1 with common words, there will not be any relation between the words and quotes. Just you are going to identify the quotes of each and every word using the elimination process. Okay. And model 2, without common words, left side words and right side quotes will be having some relation. That relationship has to be identified by us, and the same relation we need to apply in the given questions. Clear? Okay. So this is elimination process. Here we need to identify the relation. Now anyway, question number 1 to 5 we have observed that we have common elements, common words. So let us try to identify the quotes of each and every word using the elimination process. Right. Now what are the statements given? Based on the incident, this incident happens again, come back on bike, take my bike again. Now the word based, do you have common in any of other statements or within a statement? No. Okay. Keep it aside. Okay. So far we are unable to find the code for the word based. On, yes. In statement 1 and in statement 2 we have only one common word, that is on. So what is the only common code in these two statements? EFC. So we can decide the code for on is EFC. In first and third statement we have only one common word, that is on, and the only common code that we have EFC. So code for on is EFC. Now the next statement, the. Do you have this word common anywhere? No, I can't see in any of the other statements. So you cannot find. Okay, fine. Incident, yes. I have in statement 1 and in statement 3. 2. So in 1 and 2, other than incident, any other element common? No, no other element is common. Here we have base the. On is already ruled out. This incident happened. This happens again. So we have only incident as common. What is the only common code in these two? TGB not available. CVI, yes, CVI. So in the statement 1 and statement 2, the only word which is common is incident, and the only code which is common is CVI. So the code for incident is CVI. Now in statement 1 we left with the two more words. What are the two more words? Based and the. We don't have any common element, so it means that we cannot decide the code for based and we cannot decide the code for the. What is the code for based? It can be TGB or MAD. When you don't have common elements, you cannot decide. Okay. And the code for these is also TGB or MAD. Fine. No. So we have done with statement 1 completely. Now let's come to the statement 2. So incident is already completed. This. Can you find this anywhere? No. We don't have common word. Okay. Incident is already ruled out. Happens, can you see anywhere? No. Again, yes. In statement 2 and in statement 4, we have again as common. the word again common. And what is the common code in the statement 2 and 4? AXT. So the code for again is AXT. You can decide like this. So using the elimination process, we can identify the codes of each and every word. It is not necessary that for the each and every word we should get the code. Sometimes it is possible, sometimes it may not be possible, like this. Okay. Now statement 2 is completely done. Alright. So what are the elements that we left in the statement 2? This happens. What are the leftover codes? LOB, MVF. So what I can say? This, the code for this is LOB or MVF. Similarly, the code for happens is LOB or MVF. We cannot decide. Fine. Now, come to the third statement. Come back bike. Come. Let us take the word come. Do you have common? No need to compare with the first and second. It is already done. So third with the fourth. In these two, we have only one common word, that is bike. So what is the code for bike? In these two, what is the common code? BNI. So the code for bike is BNI. Fine. Now, what are the leftover? Third statement. Comparison of third statement with all the statement is done. So first statement already compared with the first, second, third. So no need to check it. So in the second statement, in the third statement, what are the leftover words? Come back. What are the leftover codes? So the code for come is LJX or PUS, and the code for back is LJX or PUS. Fine. Now in the fourth statement, so third statement is completely done. In the fourth statement, what are the leftover words? Take my. Take my. What are the leftover codes? HNT, YLP. So the code for take is HNT or YLP. And similarly, the code for my is HNT or YLP. If the code for take is HNT, then automatically my will be YLP. If the code for take is YLP, automatically the code for my will be HNT. Okay. Generally, if this kind of data is given, in the given questions, you will be finding if conditions. Okay. Where you are unable to find out the codes for each and every word. In those models, you will be given if condition questions. Okay. If condition questions are given, definitely their intention is to waste our time in the exam. Okay. Fine. Now, so here are the words and their codes. Okay. If condition is given as expected. If the back bench, the back bench is coded as LJX UAN MAD, then what can be? So again he is asking possible code only. What can be the code for the words bench based come? Okay, let's see why this term is used can. Okay, now you know what is the code for the TGB or MAD? Can you say confirmly which is that? No, we cannot say. But as per this if condition, you can say definitely the code for the is MAD. So the code for the is MAD, right? So automatically the code for based will be TGB. This is what given in the given question, right? So based, the code for based is TGB. Fine. Now come to the word back. What is the code for back? LJX or PUS. But what is given here? LJX. So the code for back is LJX. So automatically the code for come will be PUS. So already it is given here. So PUS. Now these two are ruled out and the code for bench remaining will be UAN. So the code for bench is UAN. It is available in which option? UAN, TGB, PUS. Choice 2. So the answer is choice 2. If it is given what can be or what is the code for, in both the cases your answer will be same here. Okay. Question number 2. What is the code for the word bike? Yes, you have a definite code. The code for bike is BNI. Choice 3. again, if condition. If back based car is given as MAD, PUS, USR. So when it is if condition is given, that is applicable only to that question. You cannot add to the previous questions or next questions. Okay. Then what can be, again, possible code for driven the car? Let's see. What is the code for back? LJX or PUS? One of these two. What is given among these codes? PUS. So the code for back is PUS. When the code for back is PUS, then the code for come will be LJX. But no use, because in our given question we have not given the word come. Okay, no issue. But it's okay. The code for back is PUS. Fine. Next, based. What is the code for based? TGB or MAD? What is available? MAD. So when based is MAD, D will be automatically TGB. So the code for D is TGB. Okay, no issue. No. So the remaining car will be USR. Car will be USR. Now, driven. Do you have this term here? No, it is a new word. So even the code we should take new one. That's why it is given can be. Okay. So new word, new code, TGB, USR. First of all, look at for these two. TGB, USR. Choice 1 ruled out. TGB, USR is okay. But MAD is the existing word. But I have to take the new word, new code. So choice 2 is ruled out. TGB, USR. No, it is not in the third option. Fourth option, TGB, USR. No. Fifth option, TGB, USR, S. New code, HTE. Is it available here? No, it is not available here. HNT is there. HTE is not there. So choice 5. So it is HTE, new code. Because the word driven is not given among the statements. So we have to take the new one, which is not available. Question number 4. What can be possible? What can be the code for the words come true? What is the code for come? LJX or PUS? True. True is a new word, right? So it is a new word. LJX new word or PUS new word? First of all, we require one of these two. PUS, okay, no issue. MIT, is it available here? No. So 1. 1 is possible answer. But what is the fifth option? Either 1 or 2. So let's check the second one also. Is the second one? No, there is no chance. One of these two has to be available. Is it available? No. So even it is not the fifth option. So what is my answer is? Choice 1. No need to check the third one. Choice 1. Fine. Question number 5. Which word is coded as? Definite code they are asking. Is nothing but definite. Can is nothing but possible. LOB. What is the code for LOB? This or happens. Can you say exactly? No. So what will be my answer? Cannot be determined, because they are asking definite. Is nothing but definite. Definitely, which is coded as LOB they are asking. So can you say definitely? No. So what is your answer? Cannot be determined. Choice 5. Okay, this is model 1. In the elimination process, you can identify the codes. Now let's discuss the model 2. In model 2, as we discussed earlier, you will be not having any common terms. If you want to look at search economists never money, demand better optimum benefits, safe driving, wear helmet, earth penetrate, melting ice. Can you see any common words? No, we don't have any common words. So when we don't have the common words, definitely between the word and code, you will be having some relation. That relationship has to be identified. Okay. Now, so in this model, I will be giving some techniques. The first one is try to identify the logic. First, try to identify the logic in the number. Logic in the number. Then after, try to identify the logic in the word. Okay. As far as prelims exam is considered. In the mains exam, we will also get symbols. Okay. But don't talk about that. Just talk about the prelims. First, identify the logic in the given number and then go to the letter, given letter. given letter. Fine. Let's discuss. 5, 4, 8, 4 are there. What are the numbers that are given here? 5, 4, 8, 4. Okay. Generally, the given digit will be related to the given word in so many ways, but in general, it may be based on the number of letters, or based on the number of letters, some addition value or subtraction value, or based place value of the first letter, or place value of the last letter. This kind of logics will be given. Okay. Search, you have 6 letters. Economist, you have 9 letters. Never, you have 5 letters. Money, you have 5 letters. Look at here, 6, 9, 5, 5. But what are the numbers given here? 5, 4, 8, 4. Can you find any similarity? There are 2 5s and 2 4s. 6, 5, 9, 8. So can I say 6 minus 1 5, 9 minus 1 8, 5 minus 1 4, 5 minus 1 4? Yes. So what is the logic that we can say? The given digit is number of letters in the word minus 1. But whether it is confirm or not, check with the remaining. Demand, number of letters 6. 6 minus 1 5. Yes, it is there. Better, 6 minus 1 5, it is there. Maybe either this 5 or this 5, that we don't know. Optimum, 7 minus 1 6. Yes, we have. Benefits, 8 minus 1 7. Yes, we have. Save, 4 minus 1 3. Either this 3 or this 3, that we don't know. Driving, 7 letters, 7 minus 1 6. Yes, we have. Wear, 4 letters, 4 minus 1 3. Yes. Helmet, 6 letters, 6 minus 1 5. Yes, we have. Earth, 5 minus 1 4. Yes. Penetrate, 9 minus 1 8. Melting, 7 minus 1 6. Ice, 3 letters, 3 minus 1 2. So what is the logic in number? Number is number of letters in the word minus 1. Sometimes it may be given directly number of letters in the word, or it may be given place value of the first letter or place value of the last letter. So many ways it can be given based on the English alphabet. Based on the English alphabet, whatever all the logics that they want to give, they may give, or based on the number of letters. Again, based on number of letters, it may be a addition, subtraction, or directly based on number of letters, or it may be a square, or it may be a cube of that. Any logic can be given, but either it should be based on the number of letters or it should be based on the English alphabet set. Okay, so please keep practicing this kind of questions. As many questions you possible, you will be exposed to that many logics. So by looking at the new question, logic can be identified easily. Means in fraction of seconds, you can apply more number of logics and you can confirm one of the logic as the correct logic. Okay. So what is the logic for the number? The number of letters in the word minus 1. Okay, fine. This is okay, fine. But we need to identify the logic in the letters also, right? Search. What is the code for search? H5. H5. What is the code for economist? Economist. T8. Okay. What is the code for never? R, capital letters. R4. What is the remaining? Money. What is the code for money? Y4. Look at here. How this letter is obtained from the given word. How this letter is obtained from the given word. Okay. H is the last letter of the word. T is the last letter of the word. R is also last letter of the word. Y is also last letter of the word. So can we say confirmly, in each code, the letter which is taken is the last letter of the word? Yes, we can say. Okay. It need not to be always the last letter of the word. It may be a first letter of the word. It may be an opposite letter of the first letter of the word. If the given words are all having odd number of letters, it may be a middle letter of the word. It's possible. Yes. In all these phases, you can take. It need not to be a specifically first or middle or last letter. In all the cases, they may take second letter from the left hand or second from the right hand. It can also be possible. Okay. So in all the possible ways, we need to think. So what is the logic in the word? Letter? Letter in the code represents last letter of the word. So this is how we need to identify the relation between the given word and code. First, identify the logic in the number. Then identify the logic in the letter. Clear? And when you are identifying the logic in the number, it may be based on number of letters in the word. Based on number of letters in the word, or based on English alphabet. Okay. Again, in based on number of letters in the word, maybe as is number of letters may be taken, addition or subtraction may be possible, square and cube are possible. Based on the number of letters, maybe directly place value of the first letter or middle letter or last letter, place value of the opposite letter of the word is possible. Anything is possible. Okay, you have to think in all the possible ways. Fine. You're clear, right? Now let's go to the questions. That's it. Once you are able to identify the logic, questions can be answered very easily. Now, if you want, take it randomly. Earth. Earth is having 5 letters. So 5 minus 1, 4. Last letter is H. H4. Perfectly matching. Penetrate. He is having 9 letters. So 8. Last letter is E. E8. Perfectly matching. Right? Now, answer the given questions. What is the code for the word fluctuate? How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. So what is the logic in the number? Number of letters in the word minus 1. So 8. What is the logic in the letter? Last letter of the word E. So my answer will be E8. Choice 3. Fine. Now, what is the code for portable network widened? Okay, first let us identify the logic for portable. Identify the code for portable. Number of letters in the word 8. So 8 minus 1, 7. Last letter E. How many options are available with E7? First, yes. Second, yes. Third, yes. Fourth, no. Fifth, no. Fine. Network. Number of letters in the word 7. So 7 minus 1, 6. Last letter K. Do you have K6 here? No. Do you have K6 here? No. K6 here? Yes. So third option. Widened. Number of letters 7. So 7 minus 1, 6. Last letter D. Perfectly matching with choice 3. It need not to be in the same order. Portable, network, widened. Combination of these 3 will be your answer. That's it. Which of the following words can be possible? Coded as N9. When it is given 9, it must be 10 letter word. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 letter word. Because logic in the number is what? Number of letters in the word minus 1. When it is 9, actually the number of letters in the word should be 10. So 10 letter. And logic in the letter is last letter of the word. So 10 letter word and last letter should be N. Is this? No, no chance. Protection? There is a chance. How many letters are there? 10. Okay. Prevention. How many letters are there? 10. And last letter is also N. So what is my answer? Both 2 and 3. Choice 5. Fine. Which of the following can be again? Can be coded as E4, L6. When it is E4, number of letters in the word should be definitely 5. Last letter should be E. L6, number of letters should be 7. And last letter should be L. Okay. 5 letters okay here. But last letter we have R, but we required E, not the first option. Here, last letter is E, number of letters 5, okay. And here number of letters 7, optical 7, last letter is L, okay, no issue, second option. But fifth option is both 2 and 4. So I must check the fourth one also, okay. Force, last letter is E, number of letters 5, okay, no issue. Tunical, number of letters 7, last letter is L, no issue. So again my answer is what? Both 2 and 4. So these are the 2 models that we have. Word and code having same, with common words and without common words. In with common words, you have to apply the elimination process, and without common words, you need to identify the relation between the word and the code. Clear? And please keep practicing the second model. Then you will see more number of logics. Then it will be easy for you. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.